One thing that I want to tell you is that no matter how beautiful and well crafted a coffin might look, it will not make anyone wish for death. What I want to tell you is that no matter how boisterous and difficult life becomes, giving up is not an option. We know for sure that life is full of uncertainties. But any good thing that you're doing, any dream, any aspiration that you pursue in life, continue with unwavering resilience and indefatigable commitment. For the adversities of life may assail your resolve, but your unwavering commitment shall prevail. God bless you. Mama kase binchero. Emfa won se di ifunadaka. Ne fe a eye. Esitie. Emma obi atrim se. Ne kon endo owuo. Dear na pese me ka kiro. Dear me pese me ka kiro ne se amanie ne ohaw bi eba wa brabo mu a. Eno nkyere se wa ba mu. Efri se fashe utrim se abraba a wo bon ohaw beba amanie beba eniguase beba esum beba ebi firi enam fufuo mu ye omo aye no ko school omo ye no wa adwuma mu omo aye no timantem ebi firi abusuam ye maame abusuam ye papa abusuam sa biaye we nyinara ohaw betime firi ho aba nso de me pesa me ka kiro ne se wa mo amu na mo wani yeden na utokoso atwim ko wani mu a nkunim de beba na mi hira